If you're a beginner seller selling on Amazon, you are probably having a very tough time finding products to resell on Amazon. You're probably spending hours of your day trying to find products. But I want to tell you that it gets better with time. The big secret here is that the more time that you spend sourcing online for products to resell on Amazon, the easier and the faster it will get. The more you do it, compiling a list of retailers and products that have been selling successfully for you on Amazon. So let's say that today you spend 5 hours and you found 2 products. And those products you were able to buy, send via FBA to Amazon, and they sold right away. Now you know that those 2 products that you found and you were able to sell, if you were to find them again, you would be able to buy them again and sell them again, providing that you are buying them at the same price that you found them originally, and providing that they still sell at the same price on Amazon that they were selling originally. In many cases, that is exactly what happens. Those are called replenishables or replants. These are products that you can source over and over and sell over and over. So now you have 2 products that you found and you can source all over again. Now, tomorrow, let's say you spend 5 more hours, you find 3 more products, and again, you sold them right away. Now you have 5 products. And as you can see, it's a snowball effect. The more the products that you find, the bigger the snowball gets, and the more you can scale your Amazon business. And what's more important that a lot of people don't understand is that you will be compiling a list on Excel or Google Drive of all these products, and even more important, of retailers that you found those products on. That way, even if the product is not at the same price, you can still go back to the retailer and see if you can find more products within that retailer. Why? Because you already know that that retailer is reputable. You already know that that retailer usually gives good promotions or clearances for you to get products cheaper. And 3, you know that that retailer, you had no issues to buy, receive the items, and sell them on Amazon. Now, if you do this online arbitrage for long enough, you will see that your list of retailers and products is going to be in the thousands, sometimes tens of thousands, which is crazy. So now what you can do is use an online arbitrage software, let's say Source Mogul or Tactical Arbitrage. Those are my 2 favorite. And by the way, you can find links to try them out for absolutely free for 10 days for both those softwares under my video description. Both those tools have what is called a reverse search tool. And they allow you all the list of ASIN numbers that you compiled. You're going to put them on a text file or CSV file. You're going to upload them to these tools. And what they do in a matter of minutes is that they cross-reference all the list of ASINs that have been profitable for you in the past. These are proven products. They cross-reference those with all the retailers that they carry in their database, which are hundreds of retailers. And what they do is they try to find if any of those ASINs are currently in stock, they are currently profitable, and they are currently not being sold by Amazon themselves. If that happens, you will be able to see this in the results page for those softwares. And you will be able to quickly see for yourself manually if you can repurchase those products. And that is the absolute lowest hanging fruit. Once you have a huge list of AC numbers and retailers, you can plug those in to the softwares, and you can quickly see if you can repurchase those. What you can also do is use those same tools to reinvestigate and re-explore those retailers that have been working out for you. So you can quickly scan specific pages like the clearance page, or let's say Walgreens is having a 20% off promo code, but they're only having that promo code applicable in health products. So you would go to the health page and plug in the discount there in the tool. You can easily do this on SourceMogul via their Chrome extension that I've been showing on different videos. You can also do that manually if you have a tool like Seller Amp, which is my profit calculator. If you have Seller Amp, you can quickly scan each product with Seller Amp, and Seller Amp will tell you if it's profitable or not. If you want a discount code to Seller Amp, again, go visit my video description and you can get it for a free trial first and then at a discount. So as you can see, online arbitrage can go from being tedious and boring for beginner sellers to being an absolute blast. I personally have been doing this since 2015, and every day that goes by, I find it more and more fun. It's like a treasure hunt for me. I imagine it as me already having this treasure chest that I've already found in all these years that I've been doing online arbitrage. And the treasure chest is already full of gold. But if I go out to the island and I continue looking for more treasure, I can bring home even more gold and I can put it on my treasure chest, which in turn becomes a vicious cycle of me being able to find more gold faster and easier next time, because maybe today I found a new retailer that I can source tomorrow. Or maybe today I found really good products and in 3 months I can repurchase again. So it becomes a lot of fun. By the way, if you don't know or if you're new to the channel, this whole channel is basically about online arbitrage and how to make it simpler and easier and more fun for you guys as Amazon sellers. And if you want to explore my online arbitrage leads, these are leads or products that I find myself every single morning from Monday through Friday. I'm going to put a link here, but you can also click on a link on my video description. Some people on my list have been with me for over a year and they absolutely love it. And they continue sharing with me screenshots of how their business has been growing over the last year or so and how they've been able to scale their business thanks, or in part, thanks to the products that I help them find. So if you're interested at all, go click on that link and I'll be totally ecstatic to help you as well. Also, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel as usual. That way you get notified next time that I release new videos. And finally, I'm going to leave you with this video right here that I think you're going to enjoy a lot. As usually, keep up the great work.